So resuming the discussion here. So in the previous session, we created these roles and we assigned like invoicing users roles to invoicing admin and invoicing admin to the sysadmin. That is the inbuilt role. And this is how we created the hierarchy. And let's see, let's go to the account tab and let's try to see what users we created. Although I'm not able to see that. Sorry, what roles we created. So as you can see, invoicing admin and invoicing users, these are the two roles that I created, and the owner is security admin because my user that I am logged in is having security admin role, right? So these are the roles that are created, and then let's come to invoicing admin, right? So so this is how we can see the hierarchy here. This role invoicing admin is granted to the following role, sysadmin, right? So similarly, invoicing users role is granted to the following roles. That is invoicing admin. So we will try to assign some users to these roles now. So I'll create a new user called Sean, and I will give the default role as invoicing users, and we'll set some password. Okay, I can say okay, this would be the first password, and I must change my password uh, the very first time that I log in, and then this is how I'm granting my role to my user over here. So a user created, as you can see, user Sean successfully created, and then we have a grant that we are performing on we are granting the role invoicing users to the newly created user. So this is done, and then let's create another user as an invoicing admin. So we'll grant this role to this user. So couple of users created now, and a couple of grants given to those users. So let's go back to the account tab to see what new users we got created right now. So we can see the Jake, and default role is invoicing admin, and another user we created is Sean, right? Default role is invoicing users. So this is how we have set the hierarchy, and let's try logging in with one of the users and see what hierarchy we can see. So I will just log out for now, and I'll try logging in as Sean. Let's wait for login screen to appear. So I will type Sean and I'll say my password. I'll enter the password and see, this is how the first time I'm logging in, it's asking me to set my password. So as I have given the option as must change password as true in the SQL while creating this user. So I have submitted the new password. Now it will take me to the log Snowflake UI, and the role would be invoicing user. So let's see, what role it appears with. Let's wait for Snowflake UI to pop up. Here we are. So I'll minimize this window for now. We don't need it. And as you can see, the Sean user is having invoicing users as a role, right? And let's see what roles can be switched. We cannot switch any role, right? Because the invoicing admin, uh, invoicing user has been assigned to invoicing admin, and invoicing admin role has been assigned to sysadmin. That means sysadmin should be able to access both these roles. We will see that shortly. So for now, public is a default role that is shipped with every user you create, while invoicing user for the role that we granted to this user. So this is how the hierarchy works, and we will see more details in the next video where we will log in as Jake, another user that we created. Thanks, guys.